I'm Jacob Hall, and this is Tool with a Tool, and I am finally going to shave my beard. But seriously though, if you want a cordless trimmer and you don't want to spend a lot, and you've got some bushes to clean up because nobody likes a messy bush, let's check out this KIMO. It's like a, so let's take a look at it. All right, so it's pretty standard. Unboxing is simple. The only thing I've done to it is taken the blade guard off and plugged in the charger. The one I got already had plenty of juice, but it's a standard lithium ion, 20 volts, so that's probably, 20 volt, 18 volt nominal. It's your standard clip. It's got the battery indicator on the back. It's got a safety, so you have to be holding there, and your trigger's not going to work. So go like that. So we're going to go trim a bush and see what it does. All right, so we're going to go ahead and try to clean up this bush. It's an 18 volt, it's full battery. We're going to see what this bush does to it. We'll see where it pauses, where it doesn't, see how well it does. These two bushes, no problem. It did those, no problem. And we are at all bars, so barely used any battery life. I'd say it did a pretty good job. There is no grease fitting, so it looks like you'll want to have to spray this barb down with like some type of chain or bar oil. Keep them in this sheath, wipe them out. Don't use wet stuff on it. If you do, spray it down with some type of penetrating oil so it doesn't rust. But it's not bad, and for just around the house, not trying to do like a landscaping crew, I think it would get the job done. And they've got other tools in their line, so you wouldn't be buying just one battery platform for one tool. They have some power washers, they got some other stuff. So it'd be worth giving it a try, and it didn't bind up on any of those, so I would say it'll get the job done. Thanks for watching Tool with a Tool. I'm Jacob Hall, and there's our tool. Have a good one.